Alright, we're out here in CT today. We got the bikes. There's a car right here. There's a cat in the car. But we're gonna go ride around today. I'm probably gonna meet up with Zay and Izzy later at the Fireblade and his ZX10. And we're gonna go do a shoot. Oh! I almost forgot. I need to take this off. That would have been bad. Hold on. Such a good catch.
Oh, you got soft for it on me.
I just forgot to take it off. They fly off because we don't like Loctite them or anything.
Hey Hannah, what you doing up on my dashboard? Hey Hannah, what's going on? That's a female.
That's a female cat?
Oh yeah.
Fucking nice. She got the nicer bike. Oh no.
No, I don't have the nicer bike. He has the nicer bike.
Yeah, come here.
Hi. You're just laying right in the sun on your dash.
No, that's fine. She's not a rider. It's okay.
Bye, dude.
She might be inbred. She might be inbred. My cat's inbred.
That makes me feel real weird. Inbred. Weirdo cat.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
That's a lady right there driving that big ass bike. Keep pushing that bike right there. Not every man can even push that bike.
That's right.
What is it, 900?
1,000. We are going to take a ride today. We're going to like a grassy area to go shoot some stuff. I just put this carbon fiber tank cover on my bike. I'd say it looks pretty good. I tried my best. It's not perfect, but you know what? Nothing in life ever is. So I
need to put the directions to my helmet.
This guy. And also today this video is I want to say sponsored by, but product sponsored by ASV levers. They sent me some pretty cool black on black levers, black dials, and I installed them. I'll put a little like intro video on like how I did that, just like a little montage for you so you can see like what the process is of slightly, but they look great. I almost got the full length ones, but the shorty ones honestly are amazing. We're doing ASV levers today. I already took half it off. For some reason my bike won't start unless it's in neutral. I'm not really sure why my bike won't start in first gear. That's kind of annoying, so hopefully I can figure that out, because that's a problem. Texting and writing. Criminal.
Why are you looking at me like that, boy? Oh, boy. That's so bad.
You be quiet. What are you doing? I hate riding with a backpack, but I love it because I know there's a water in there and it's hot out. So like, since there's a water in there, I'll be able to drink it and carry it and not just have to like chug it at a gas station and then throw it away. I feel it's like such a waste when I do that. Like, it does happen. I do it sometimes. It's such a waste. I'm the type of person that refills my water bottles, okay? I think that you can use water bottles more than once, not just like one and done. I love these levers, dude. And they were pretty easy to install. The only thing that got me kind of hung up was the clutch cable on this side. But the brake was so easy. To be honest, I love riding in CT because it is nothing like New Hampshire. Like, there's actually somewhat of a highway system here. Well, not somewhat, there is a highway system here. And like in New Hampshire, we literally have like 2 highways. And that's it. Don't shit where you eat, ladies and gentlemen. Also, I did take my quad lock off. But it's kind of refreshing because low-key, like, I was using my quad lock way too much while I was riding to like change the music. Like, if I have someone with me and I knows where they're going, like, I'll be fine. But like even in New York, I didn't have a clog lock, and I thought it was gonna be worse, but honestly, it like, wasn't bad. Reach my feet to the bottom unless I'm like at the tank on this bike. So for all my girls out there who ask me how tall I am all the time, I am 5'4". I'm 5'4". I can do this, but if Moto Martini can if Moto Martini can ride a bike being 5'2" with some platform progress, you can do it. You can do it. You're just probably gonna have to lower your bike. Kind of sad because we're not going to the tunnel. Look at what this man's doing. This fucking guy. Bruh, I'm afraid because his foot is on the throttle. So pretty out here. Oh my gosh, there's so many geese. Hello. Hi, I'm Jules.
No one knows my name. I can keep it a secret.
Okay, I'll blur it on my phone.
Off-roading. That's so sketch. Okay, look that way. Ow! I just kneed myself in the face. Let me tie these. I'm afraid these are gonna get like stuck in my chain. I really should not be doing that, but it is what it is. I was tucking them in earlier so that they didn't do it. I'm scared. Guys, the last time I was on gravel, it didn't go well. This could be really bad, I'm afraid. Go! Oh!
What are you doing?
You couldn't even do it with assist.
No, you scared me. I didn't know what you were doing.
Oh, pray he doesn't drop it. This guy. Him being a helmet creator is like the funniest thing I've ever seen. Turn around! This is ridiculous. I never know what to do. I didn't write it up, but I'm gonna write it down. Yes! Look at my pants. We got Izzy and Zay out here. I guess we're just following Zay. Look at the geese. Ducky, 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 ducky. Could you imagine if someone just like swung open a door and I like took myself out? So cool. Oh, damn. Like, damn.
That's what I have. Stop vaping. Yeah, I have the same one.
Yeah.
I love that thing.
It works. 1 year, 142 days. Slay.
That fucking app.
Yeah, it works so good because it'll be like, your lungs are getting better. And I'm like, yes, thank you. I'm at 100% on everything.
I would get the notification at like 8 o'clock every morning. Like, did you vape today? I'd be like, no.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Alright, we are leaving the castle now. We didn't even get to go to the castle because it said it was going to start raining. So, this vlog is probably going to be shorter than most. Ow, you just hit me with a rock. Wow. Oh, it works now. It works now. It's going in, it's starting with it's starting in gear now, so maybe the micro switch inside of the clutch system didn't, like, I didn't make it mess up, so that's good. I love these levers, but my hands were gonna be too tiny for them. I don't know what 2 means. Izzy, I don't know what 2 means. I look like such a little boy right now. Oh, 2nd gear. Oh my. It went up. I can't. Gear. I know, but I literally was like going up and I was like, no! Man, it's so annoying. What the hell? Shut up! It keeps flapping. Oh, you don't have to, no, it's okay.
I already put $15 into use that shit.
Oh, shit. Okay.
I know you're gonna use that.
Ugh. Thank you.
I'll refund my card.
Also, it's starting in gear now.
Is it?
Yeah, look. I don't know. I can't get over these levers, so like perfect for my hands. Damn, you know, I am in a t-shirt right now, but like I am not that cold. Watch, now it's gonna rain because I said that or something. Also, I don't know about anybody else, but the quick shifting on the S1000rr is so like, it's so nice, but I still love using the clutch. I feel like a lot of people, once they have the quick shifting, they just don't even use the clutch, but I still use it sometimes. I can't help it. I can't help it. Dude, you know what sounds so good right now? Hot pot. Hot pot sounds so good right now. It's like a Korean barbecue place where you cook your own food. Oh my gosh. Rocket brought me there one time. Sometimes my intrusive thoughts tell me to bring my bike through like the automatic car wash. Okay, I think we are getting on the highway. I know what that means. I promise I don't have road rage issues. Guys, drag me. He's right in the boat. That shell right there, that's where I found the winter edition Red Bulls before they became sold out everywhere. And now they're gone. But I think we're going to cycle here. Where are you taking me, Zay?
The stall at the light was crazy.
I know. I'm such an idiot.
Yo, last week, was it last week? It was like 2 weeks ago. I was literally on the highway. I got off the ramp, the light turned red. I was like, cool. The light turns green, stall my bike out. I started to freak out. I turned the bike on. I'm like, oh, what the fuck, stall it again. I started like 4 times.
Oh my gosh.
And I was like, fuck.
Alright, me and Zay just switched bikes. We're gonna Chipotle. So, this should be fun. I love riding the ZX-10, to be honest. It's so easy to move around. It's light. Yours is so light. Yes, it's so nice. I love it. It sounds so good. Oh, I love this bike. It sounds like it's cammed. It pumps so much. I can actually touch the ground.
I missed my s1000, I'm not gonna lie.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you can ride that. It's okay.
I'm not gonna lie. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like it's way more nimble.
You look natural on it.
I miss mine so much.
That's sad.
I'll get one day, another one.
It's okay. We can just swap all the time.
Whatever you want.
I'm literally gonna title this. I'm gonna title this whole vlog "Somewhere in CT."
Somewhere on the left-hand side.
Makes me wish. There's no way. Oh my gosh, you just stall? How the fuck? How do you teleport like that? I'm so confused. What? That's just so embarrassing.
I saw it over there twice.
Hi. I don't know where I'm going, so we're gonna see if I can get home. Where do I go? I think I go this way. I think I go this way. I think. No, I don't go this way. Damn it. Okay. Damn, I thought I could low-key turn around before I got too far onto this. So, like, I am going the wrong way. Damn, that thing is so annoying. Should I just go on, like, a joyride real quick or no? I'm so cold. I definitely know where I am now, I think. I had a nice time riding today, even though I'm freezing and in a t-shirt. Also, this thing is so annoying me so bad. Someone please fix it. Ow. Look, Mom, no hair. Please don't. Thank you. Damn, so many people are on their phones that I've looked into cars today. I'm like just as guilty, but holy crap. Ah, okay. Oh, it's raining. It smells so good. I love the smell of rain.